Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up a professional Facebook business page. This is something everyone on the internet really needs, regardless of what you are doing. It's surprising how many people either don't have a Facebook business page or have one that's not fully set up. I will explain why you need one and show you the key elements you might be missing. When you are starting a business, you want your website to rank high on Google. But new websites often face skepticism from Google. However, Facebook pages are treated with less skepticism because Facebook is a trusted platform. This means you are more likely to rank higher on Google with your Facebook business page early on than with your actual website. There are several reasons to build these pages. Number 1. Early SEO advantage. Facebook pages are more likely to rank higher on Google in the early stages. Number 2. Multiple rankings. Even when your website starts to rank, your Facebook page can help you own multiple top positions on Google. Number 3. Social network access. Facebook gives you access to millions of users every day. I will show you how to create a Facebook page. The first step is to log in to your Facebook account. Then click on Menu. Then click on Pages. Then click on Create New Page. Enter your page name. The page name will be the name of your business or brand. Now select category. In the description, you have to write a brief about your business. Now click on Create Page. Now enter your website link. Now enter your phone number. Now enter your email ID. Now enter your location. Now select hours. Then click on Next. Now add profile picture. Now add cover photo. Now click on Add Action button. Click on Try It. Select Send Message. Then click on Next. Now you can enter WhatsApp phone number or you can skip. Now you can invite friends. Then click on Next. Then click on Done. Now click on About. Now click on Details about you. And write here description. All these steps will help ensure your Facebook page is well optimized and ready to attract and convert visitors. Best of luck with your business. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.